Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Got a brand new 2019 Boston Whaler 150 Montauk that just came in. This boat's been completely redesigned. As you can see on the hull, you've still got that classic Boston Whaler smirk, but the center section's been redesigned to break the waves a little better while maintaining the flare to still give you that dry ride and stability that you've come to know from the Montauk line. Up front, we've got a nice anchor locker, really accessible, keep everything out of the way. And this one comes with a fishing package, which gives you 4 rod holders up front on the center console, as well as in the back here. You've got a full live well, 2 rod holders on both sides, as well as a bucket holder on both sides. Your center console helm seat is reversible so that you can face backwards while you're trolling. Keep an eye on those rods. Up at the helm here, you've got plenty of room for whatever kind of electronics you'd like to install, but you still get your basic RPM and fuel gauge, as well as a couple toggle switches and your power outboard. Storage here under the center console, another cooler up front, keeping everything cold. Finally in the back, we've got our new Mercury 60 horse, which is plenty of power to get this 15-footer up out of the water and to that sandbar or fishing spot fast. Also, it comes with the trailer that you see attached here. And at the weight of this boat, you can pull it behind pretty much any SUV you got, and with a swing tongue stored in your garage. If you guys have any questions about anything, please feel free to give me a call.